Hello friends. A long time ago in America, some very clever and courageous people decided to write a super duper important letter. This letter was called the Declaration of Independence, and it was like a big grown-up no thank you to a king who lived far, far away. Picture this, imagine you're on a big playground, and there's a bossy kid who always tells you what games to play. Well, that's how it was with America, and it came from a place called England. The people in America wanted to make their own rules, just like you want to choose your own games and toys. The heroes who wrote the Declaration of Independence were like the Avengers of their time. There was a super smart man named Thomas Jefferson, a super brave man named John Adams, and a super wise man named Benjamin Franklin. Together they were like the dream team of freedom. The Declaration of Independence was like a letter to the king. It said, "Hey king, we're not going to listen to your rules anymore." They wrote it down on a big fancy piece of paper, just like you draw your most beautiful pictures with all your colorful crayons. On July 4, 1776, all the grown-up kids gathered and said, "We're sending our letter to the king." That's why we celebrate the 4th of July with sparkling fireworks, grand parades, and yummy picnics. It's like a giant birthday party for America. Inside the special letter, the Declaration of Independence, there's something super duper important. It says that everyone has the right to be happy and make their own choices, just like you pick your favorite ice cream flavor without anyone telling you what to choose. The Declaration also says, we hold these truths to be self-evident. That's a fancy way of saying that these ideas are so obvious that even a 5-year-old could understand them. It's like saying, the sky is blue, and the sun is warm. The Declaration is all about something called equality. That means everyone should be treated the same way, no matter what they look like or where they come from. It's like sharing your toys with all your friends because it's fair. The Declaration promises something amazing: life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Life is like a big adventure, liberty is your freedom to play, and happiness is finding joy in what you love, like playing with your favorite toys. The Declaration is like saying, we're breaking up with the king. It's a polite way of telling him, we're going to make our own rules and play our own games from now on. After they wrote the letter, all the grown-up kids put their names on it, just like when you sign your most important artworks with your crayons. Their names are still on the Declaration of Independence today. Even though it's very old, the Declaration still helps us. It reminds everyone in America that they have rights and freedom. So, if someone tries to boss you around, you can say, "No way. I have my Declaration of Independence." The Declaration of Independence is like a lighthouse that shows us the way. It helps us make fair rules, be kind to one another, and play happily together in this big playground we call America. Remember the 4th of July we talked about? It's like a big birthday party for the Declaration of Independence. We sing songs, eat yummy food, and watch fireworks to say, "Hooray America." The grown-up kids who wrote the Declaration of Independence had a dream, just like you have dreams of being an astronaut or a dinosaur. Their dream was for everyone to be happy and free. We try to keep that dream alive every day. The Declaration of Independence is like a magical paper that helps us be happy, free, and equal. It's a reminder that we can be in charge of our own games and rules. And just like the grown-up kids who wrote it, you can have big dreams too, and one day you might change the world just like they did. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad. Thanks for watching.